So we are fighting between resistance, the R, the circle, the line, and support, the squigglies, the green line. Okay, the direction for the last hour or so is descending, so this is a bearish flag, I guess you would consider it. If the price action was inverted, you'd be all over me. We're flagging, Nick, we're flagging. Let me show you what you would say. If this was the case, you would say, we're flagging, right? Right? That's a lovely term. When we're going up, everybody's bullish. We're flagging. Look at it. We go above 514. We're going to go to 510. Wait a minute. 510 is lower than 514. Yes, because we're upside down. That's what we're doing. We're flagging. Okay. So we started our descent further to finish our first arrow of 2. The second, so they're going to try to get back above water, and they'll probably face a lot of resistance here. And if they cannot, that's the path. I'll make that one blue so we can speak to it in color. On a higher time frame, I would stay in the put, especially if it's runners. If it's runners, I would let it run. This is an emotional market. Somebody's going to say, oh, it's the headline. And we're going to say, is it now? So how did we know about the downside opportunity? This blue line came to fruition perfectly. Oh, but no, but it's the headline. Look at it. It's freaking perfect. Look at this. It's perfect shape. Perfect levels. Near perfect timing. It'll make it faster. They overshoot. Bigger. But most of them, they don't create a new path. Look at this candle and look at this. How long has this been here? You can't make this stuff up. I mean, if you don't think the person showing you this is good enough and then this happens and that happens, you can't make this stuff. You can't fake this stuff up. You can't fake it. See how they're tracing out what I drew here? This thing? So now this shape, this descending wedge shape, they tend to snap out. And if you're short, I would be out, even on this last leg. These shapes tend to do these. Yep. Yep. So the tight pattern is unfolding to the downside with one candle to hold. You lose that large candle, you're going to get for 499 to 488. Dang, we caught that 15-minute bearish harmonic just in time, folks. We were looking for upside, and then we zoomed out, and we thought, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So that was a good bullet dodged. Whew. And if you took bearish bets on my Tesla of 215, I would exit now. This is a 1 standard deviation move for Tesla. Even though it can go to 215, maybe even 209, 208 in the next few hours, I would call that a pretty good bet and paid.